In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version of your Webflow site. This process is incredibly useful if you ever need to revert back to an earlier version of your site, whether due to an accidental change or a design choice you want to undo. So let's dive in and walk through this step by step. Start by heading over to the top left corner of your Webflow dashboard. You'll see an icon there. Click on it to access the drop-down menu, and from here, select Site Settings. This will take you into the settings area specific to the site you are working on. It's a good habit to familiarize yourself with these settings, as they hold various tools and options to manage your site's overall behavior. Once you're in the Site Settings area, look for the Backups tab. Selecting this will present you with a list of backups that have been automatically created by Webflow as you've been working on your design. This is an incredibly handy feature, as Webflow regularly captures snapshots of your site's state, allowing you to easily revert to a previous version if necessary. Now, browse through this list of backups to find the version you wish to restore. Webflow organizes these backups by date and time, making it straightforward to identify when specific backups were made. If you're unsure, you have the option to preview each of these backups. This is a crucial step, as it allows you to ensure that you've identified the correct version you want to restore. Take a moment to review the backup in detail. You don't want to skip this step, only to realize you've reverted to the wrong version. Once you're certain about your selection, it's time to proceed with the restoration. Click on the backup you wish to use, and then find and select the Restore option. Webflow will now begin the process of restoring your site to the selected version. This typically takes just a few moments, but do allow it the time it needs to complete the process thoroughly. Once your site has been successfully restored, you'll get a confirmation, and just like that, your Webflow site is back to the version that you chose. And there you go. You've successfully restored an earlier version of your Webflow site. This built-in feature is a lifesaver and can be quite the reassurance when you're making significant changes to your site. Keep in mind that using backups is not just a tool for fixing mistakes, but also a way to experiment with your designs more freely, knowing that you can always step back to a previous version if need be. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing with Webflow.